We are on our way to an appointment for our other business, carpayday.com. So this is an introduction to our other business, carpayday.com, where we buy cars from the public. So if you have a car you're looking to sell now or in the future, give us a call. We compete up against all dealers. So we're on our way right now. We're going to see a customer. His name is Ross. We're looking at a 2009 Mercedes Sl63 Amg. Very low miles, 20-something thousand miles, I believe. So come along with us. If you have a car you want to sell, or you're thinking about selling right now, as you know, vehicles are worth more than they've ever been. So if you have an extra vehicle, now's the time to cash in. It'll never get higher than what it is today. Been doing this for over 15 years, and I've never, ever seen the used car market like it is now. All right guys, we're here with Ross. We're gonna be looking at Ross's SL. Ross, how are you doing?
How you doing, guys? Good, good.
Thank you so much for having us and letting us come out and film the whole process.
You have been the most proactive, and I'm not joking, the most proactive that I have dealt with, and that's why you're here.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Well, we take pride in our company when our customers are the most important part. So
great.
Well, we're going to be looking at his car. He tells me it's one of the cleanest SL65s that I will ever see. It's an 09, the lowest miles that we've ever looked at. So I'm excited to see the car and go through the process. Joey actually runs our Palm Springs office here, so I just gave it away. We're in Palm Springs. We have offices from LA, Orange County, Palm Springs, soon to be in San Diego. But Joey's in our Palm Springs office. So if you come into the office, you'll see Joey. And Joey's gonna take us through the process of checking out the car, test driving the car, and then we'll make an offer, and hopefully we can make a deal with Ross today. So, looking at the car, Ross, like I said, other than the front end being repainted, everything else looks good. The couple of the rims are just losing a little of the coloration, like this one. So touch-ups and replacing the tires is the only thing that I really see that we have to do to the car legally. We have to put some money into it. I mean, like I said, the tires are 15. I wasn't expecting that coming out, just being direct with you. I always want to be direct with our customers. I want to show you, I believe, you know, I believe being direct and forward. So with our system right here, just so it shows you, it tells me that this is the range between the car. Typically, if I was looking to buy any other car, I would try to buy this car for probably around $35,000. But because this is the cleanest one I've seen, and we really don't know how well it's going to do, I'm willing to take a risk on it because of how clean it is. I'll do $38,800 for the car today.
Okay, that's a deal.
That's a deal?
That's a deal.
All right, well, let's do the paperwork. Do the paperwork part now. So there's a payoff on this vehicle. Obviously, if the client has the title, it's a lot smoother and easier process. But with the payoffs, no matter whether you have one or not, we help with all the paperwork. We make it simple and easy, so you don't have to hassle with anything else after we leave. Another deal done. Hopefully we'll get to be able to do a deal with you with your car at some point. Give us a call, carpayday.com.